everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Glitzy Gaze for August month. So let's quickly see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that Glitzy Gaze has two different variants. First one is Bella, second one is Rage. I will be unboxing the Rage, so let's talk about that. The price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees. And I will be mentioning everything in the description box, so don't worry. The buy link, the price, everything. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Yes, in today's video, I will be announcing a giveaway, but that's in the end, so stay connected. First, let me quickly show you what all it has. So let's start with the first one, which I really like, is this beautiful bag. And you can just see the sequence work here. It's so beautifully, nicely done. So yes, I like it. And the size of the bag, you can just see it's huge, so it will actually accommodate a lot of stuff, which is nice because I love big bags. I don't know why, but I always have like lots of stuff to carry, so I love big bags. So this is the size. The other side is plain. It's the fabric is like the cauterized soft velvet kind of a fabric, and in the front you can just see it's so beautifully done sequence work. So yes, I like it, love it. The color is brown, very safe, will go with everything. So yes, I like it, it's nice. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a kaftan, and in kaftan they have two different designs. I have this one and they have the other one as well. I will try to put a picture of that in the end so you guys can see. This is the floral kind of a print, and I like it, quite nice. Let me just wear it and show you. I doubt it will be visible, but still you will get some idea, and in the end I will try to click some pictures with it, so maybe you will get an idea. So this is how it looks. So the color is quite nice of it. I like it, pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful neck piece. I really like it. It's so beautiful, and you can just see the quality and everything of this neck piece. It's super nice. Let me just wear it and show you the look. I mean that how this neck piece looks. So this is the look. You can just see it's looking so pretty. I love it. It's super nice and definitely a party wear neck piece, super rich, and of course my favorite. I love it because it's looking stunning. The quality, the design, and the way it looks on me, I think I love everything. So yes, super happy with this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a bracelet come a choker. Though I'm going to wear it like a choker for sure, because bracelet, first thing, I don't really wear like bracelets, but and this will, I think this design will look more nice on my neck, so I think is a choker. So let me just remove this and wear this and show you the look. So you can just see it's looking so pretty. For me, it's definitely a choker. I'm going to wear it like a choker, but if you like it, you can wear it as a bracelet as well, but I like it as a choker. So yes, loving it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a pair of earrings, and these are the one. These are quite Indian, I would say. It has this hathi elephant design here. So oxidized silver with some white here. Let me just try on one and show you the look. So this is how it looks. Okay, just ignore my neck piece, the choker, and this is the look. Pretty. They are just perfect for kurti, for saris, yeah, for like saris, I guess, and for suits, they will look just perfect. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one are these hoops. So gold, silver is the color. You can just see the look. Let me just wear one and show you the look and how these look. They have some really good shine in it, gold with some silverish shine, so you can just match them with anything. And this is the look. First thing, hoops are like never off fashion. They always are like in fashion. They always look good, and this is the look. and this is the last jewelry, or you can say last product in the box. So that's all what I have received in my Rage edition for August month. And if you ask me, I love the bag. Bag is really nice, and bag will be same for everyone. And the kaftan is nice. In kaftan they have two different designs. Then the neck piece, both the neck piece actually, the neck piece is super stunning. This one, I love it, super nice. I think you should buy this box for this neck piece only, because this is stunning. Then this bracelet cum choker is really nice. I'm going to wear it as choker, so yes, I love it. Then the two pair of earrings, one is this Indian one, the other one is this hoop design. So I think everything is really nice. I like it, so super impressed. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Yes, as I promised you. So now there will be 3 winners. I will be announcing the winner by the end of this month, and I will be mentioning the rules in the description box. There are no difficult rules as always. You just have to be my subscriber, and the second one is that you just have to follow Glitzy Gaze, of course. So don't worry, just check the description box. I will mention everything there. So yeah, that's all, guys. Yes, hurry up and participate in the giveaway. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.